Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and open a GPA account or activate GPA in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what we're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, open up our Play Store and make sure we have installed our GPA app right in our mobile phone. Then we're going to simply open it up. Once our app is open, it's basically going to look like this. So this three are the country options which this is available in, and then we're going to go ahead, choose our country, tap on this continue option. We're going to allow for the notification. Then what we're going to do, we're going to enter our phone number that is of ours. Once we have done entering the correct number, we're simply going to go ahead, tap it in. Then we're going to tap on this continue option. Then we will get a pin on our number over there. Then we're going to add that particular pin given. Afterwards we will be able to activate, aka create an account in our GPA like that. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.